One owner personal vehicle with clean Carfax. Premium custom wheels, leather interior, third row seat, air conditioning, CD player, DVD entertainment system, heated front seats, sunroof, power windows and locks, and remote keyless entry. Honda has done it again. They have built some terrific vehicles and this good-looking 2006 Honda Pilot is no exception. New car test drive said it. Delivers efficiency in packaging and operation, first-rate build quality and Honda's reputation for reliability and durability. This great-looking, car-based SUV read, smooth ride and easy handling also features excellent crash test scores, generous storage and cargo hauling abilities, 8-passenger seating, smooth power delivery, and excellent crash test scores. For this 2006 Honda Pilot check out our online purchase process at www.larsonmotors.com.